Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by inspecting the HomePod physically and electronically for common issues. Check the power cable and outlet first. Ensure the speaker sits on a stable surface and is not tilted. Confirm the HomePod is 6.8 inches tall and plugged into a 100-240V outlet. Listen for sound output from any speaker elements and test Siri by saying "Hey Siri" twice. Verify your iPhone or iPad is on the same Wi-Fi and logged into the same Apple ID. Power cycle the HomePod by unplugging it for 10 seconds and then reconnecting power. Use the Home app on your iPhone to check for firmware updates and install any available updates. If audio or Siri still fail, ask your router to reboot and wait 2 minutes before retrying. Try forgetting the Wi-Fi network on your iPhone and reconnecting to the same network. Move the HomePod at least 3-5 feet away from other electronics to avoid interference and retest responsiveness. If basic steps fail, perform a factory reset using the Home app or manual button sequence. To reset manually, unplug, wait 5 seconds, plug back in, then press and hold the top until the white spinning light turns red. Confirm deletion in the Home app afterward and set up again as new. If the HomePod shows no lights or no sound after reset, contact Apple support or an authorized repair center for hardware diagnosis. Keep receipts and serial numbers handy for service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.